It's the producer. It's the producer.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're from, gunners. Welcome to the lightweight reduction video. This is basically part 2. And today we're going to get the car on all fours, pause, and strip out the interior. We're going to take out the interior completely. We're going to take off the doors, and then from there we'll probably be able today to take out the dash. So we're just preparing you on what stuff to take off. We'll do the seat belts, all these brackets that have like 10s, 17s, and 14s that you should just rip right off. So enjoy the vlog, apply this to your build, and you'll see a world of a difference on the quarter-mile track. I got my boy 40 with me. He's having breakfast right now. It's coffee and cookies. So enjoy the vlog, man. Thank you so much for your continuous support. As always, like, comment, subscribe by the end of the video, and enjoy. Keep gunning, man. Wyoming, coming soon. Alright, guys, so the first thing we're going to do is take off the doors, so working inside the interior will be much more simpler, much more easier. So go ahead, 40. Sakalu. You got the 412s that hold the hinges up. Now, when you take off your doors, make your life easy. Lock the door. Not lock like lock the lock, but push. Why would you light a cigarette now? Jesus Christ. But, you know, close your door fully, so then when it's time for you to take it off, all you really have to do is open the door and take that out. So all four on the hinge go first. 12 millimeters. Then you got that pin inside for the door. No, it's not gonna move. Hey, it's not gonna move. It's not gonna move. Take it out. All right. So now I have to help you because this door is heavy.
Go to another side?
No. You can do this side. All you have to do is open the door, but be careful because it's heavy. Or you want me to help you? You got it? Okay, tough guy. Open the door. And boom, the whole door comes out. So that door is going to get put to the side. We're going to start working on the interior and stripping it. Excuse me. Let me help you out here.
Now
We're just hold on. We're just going to make life super easy by working in and out. All these plastics and stuff we don't need. The harness we're never going to use again because this car is going to be strictly for racing. Yeah, so let's get to the interior. We'll take off the other door. I showed you guys how to do it here, and we're done. Let's move it out for you. Alright guys, so now I'm just going to rip out this interior. These leather GSR seats are definitely heavier than normal cloth ones. These look like 2000 GSRs. So we're definitely going to save a bunch of weight just by removing. 40, can I get an extension? Short one, 3-inch? We're definitely going to save a bunch of weight just by removing these seats. We're probably going to lose about 100 pounds. That one's good. Yep, this one's perfect. So 12 millimeters normally hold up seats, and then you got, sometimes there's a back 14, but it's normally all 12s. We'll start ripping this out. I don't know if you guys really want to watch me just rip out seats. I'll do these front 2 bolts. By the way, this Milwaukee hand ratchet is incredible, man. It's definitely stronger than the Snap-on one. I know I gave my review on it. It is heavy though. It is definitely heavy, but it's working great. So we'll move on by stripping the interior. Like I said, it's just normally 12s holding the brackets, and then from there we'll rip out the carpet, and then hopefully we can run and get some dry ice today to get rid of some of that sound deadening that's under the carpet, which also weighs a pretty penny. So enjoy the vlog, man. Forty, grab this seat. Oh, grab the seat right over there. Take your time. Take your time. All right, let's get the other seat out. I'll pass it to you. All right, I'll pass it to you again. front seats out. We're gonna move on to the back seats, and then yeah, we're gonna start getting the panels out of the way. But those seats were heavy already. At least a good 60, 70 pounds right there. One Kirkley's gonna end up going into this car, and that's all it's gonna need. All right, guys. So I got the interior out. We took off the seats. We took out the seats. I'm sorry. We're gonna get rid of those headlights because they're glass and heavy. We're gonna use some plastic one pieces. This fuel cell in the back is absolutely incorrect. It's now remember when we're dealing with Honda Sport, Honda racing, front wheel drive racing, we don't want any weight in the back. So why have 5 gallons and then whatever line and fittings in the back of it? It's a no-go. So that's gonna come out. I'm gonna take off these panels right here that are held up by the seat belt. It's just 17s up there, 17s down there, and then I'll be able to peel this back and then get to the top one right there. So yeah, enjoy. I'll turn the camera around. You guys will watch me work a little bit. I'll talk to you, and yeah, hope you're enjoying the vlog so far, man. All right, so I've got some 17s holding up this seat belt. You can't take out the carpet, and you can't take out these panels on the side without removing the seat belt. So we'll just pop these guys off. And please remember this, factory seat belts are super heavy. So that's one thing we want to get rid of immediately, is that stupid weight of the factory seat belt. I'm missing a flathead. I'm missing a flathead, buddy.
What? You need this flag?
Yeah, I had it here. Nah, forget it. I got it already.
Regular?
Yeah, nah, I got it already. I got it.
Okay.
All right, so we got this 17 up here. We're gonna rip that guy off, and then we'll be able to take off these panels. You also cut time using this. Man, that light is bright. You also cut a lot of time using this, man. Other than that, you'll be there sitting there wrenching. Nah, man. Hell no. We work efficient. We work easy. We work simple. You know what I mean? Peel this guy back. Pause. Now this panel is ready to come out. We'll do the same thing on the other side. But most importantly, we'll keep gunning. Gosh darn it, we'll keep gunning. So while we're at it, we're just going to get rid of some of these seatbelt buckles. They're also held up by 17s. Believe it or not, you put all these seatbelts together. You'll see a ridiculous amount of useless weight that was in the car. Everything counts. The bolt, the washer, the buckle. It all counts, man. Now for street car use, daily drivers, some of you guys really never have people in the back. So some of this stuff you can get rid of. The back seat belts, you know what I mean? The brackets, everything holding stuff back here. When people reach out to me and ask me, hey Aki, what can I do to lighten up my car? Everything behind you, you don't need. Look at this camera shake though. Everything behind you, you don't need. More removals. Everything behind you, you don't need. All right, moving along. Moving along. Then we have this guy here. We'll crack it first. And we'll move on. Enjoy. KEEPGUNNIN. All right, here we go. This panel's ready to go. This panel is, whoa, man, look how beautiful that looks. Wow, Mike, you have some nice speakers in here. Here, 40. I don't need this no more. Put it right there by the seats. Put it by the seats. It's all right. So, yeah, look how beautiful this looks right here. All of this will be gone soon, and you're going to learn how to do it on your own. So, in the meantime, what we're trying to do right now is remove every bolt we can use. Remove every bolt we can see. So obviously we got a bunch of 10 millimeters here. We've got an 8 millimeter here. We got this guy up here for the back seats, which is 10 millimeter. So that's essentially what we're doing. So instead of having to cut a 10 millimeter off, we just remove it. So I'll leave you with that, right? So every bolt that you could see that you can take off or nut that you can take off, you do it. And then you try to have this canvas as empty as possible before cutting. Whatever you can remove without cutting it, when you can just unbolt it, is what you want to do. Enjoy the vlog. This speaker was held up by an 8, but it was loose, so I just took it off by hand. So here they spliced it in. We're not going to use any of this anymore. Damon,
What do you want?
give me a cutter.
To cut it?
Yeah, please. Oh, you know what? I don't even need it. No, I don't even need the cutter. I could just take it off
No?
from right here. Yeah, just save wire or whatever. I don't even know. So boom, we take out the speakers. Like I said, everything that you can unbolt, just unbolt it. Now we're removing this piece of the panel here, which is a Phillip head. So when you're removing these plastics so you don't screw yourself, just leave it threaded with about 4 threads and you can pull it right out like that. Otherwise, if you pull this screw all the way out, you'll have to go and get a flathead and pull it out. But if you leave some sort of tension on it, you can just pull the entire thing out. So we'll slip this seat belt to the side. It's held up by a 10 and a 17. Believe it or not, this guy's at least 6-7 pounds. At least. I definitely want to weigh all this stuff. That's why I'm telling 40 not to throw anything away. We'll have like a scale off, if you might say. But this is the B-pillar section. This is probably the heaviest part inside the interior. This whole section right here is where all the magic happens. This is where you get a lot of weight out. In the back, you got a few extra pounds when it comes to where the trunk is, you know, right over the wheel tubs or whatever you want to, wherever the back tubs of the wheel. But that's it. We'll keep gunning. Alright guys, so before removing this panel, I got to get this shock off and I want to take off this rear glass. We're not using that no more. So we've got 12s that hold up the shock. You get into there here. We'll get this guy off. And then we'll pop off these 10s and remove the entire glass. So we got 12, you're going to use a 12 millimeter wrench. And take this guy off nice and easy because we're never using this shock again. It's too heavy. And then the 4 10 millimeters that actually hold it up to the hinge. We're going to take this, this entire baby off. This entire guy off in one piece. I got it. Yeah. Alright, so you had the 4 10s that are just under the roof liner, and we'll take out this whole section. This is very, very heavy. Alright, since now we have that shock out of the way, we can take off this panel because we're cutting up here, and we're cutting right here. So we'll put the seat belt through it, so we can get that out of the way quickly. Bend that up. Boom. You got your panel out. Here, 40. Put that over there. So same concept. Same deal. I'm going to grab a 17 millimeter. I'm going to take out this seat belt buckle back here. This whole seat belt mechanism, contraption. Held up by 2 17s. And let me guess, a 10. Yeah. A famous 10. Forgot about that. I apologize. All right. This side's ready to this side's ready to keep getting stripped and keep getting cut. Toss that over there on the side. I really don't need to do the other side for you guys. I think I thoroughly explained this entire side for you. So once we remove the other side, then we'll move on to the carpet. After the carpet, the roof liner, and then wiring, and then cutting. Oh, well, I'm sorry. Before we get to the wiring, we'll do the sound deadening. We'll get rid of all that weight. And then we'll go on from there. So I'm probably going to end up saying the dashboard's the last part. The dashboard's going to be fun, because you're going to see me throw that heater so far away. It's the funniest thing alive. I'm gonna probably run it over with the CRV, just for poops and giggles. You hear the cursing though? It lessened up. Watch out, YouTube. Watch out. All right, guys. So we're taking out the carpet now. It's just, you guys pretty much know how to do that part. It's just lift up the plastics here, remove like your footrest on your left clutch foot, and that's it. And then the middle was already cut for us, so we got lucky. So pull it back, go up, pull it back, and now fold it to you. Nice and easy. And that's it. It's yours. Money. Perfect. Hold on, let me help you. Get ahead. All out.
Got it?
Yep, you're good.
Thank
So yeah, that's it. You can take it and put it over there. All right, guys. So we got the carpet out. So next thing we're gonna end up doing, I think I'm gonna end this vlog right now. Yeah, this is the last piece of the vlog. I want you guys to catch up as you're doing it with me. Pause. I'm gonna vacuum the interior. You know, I don't need to show you guys me vacuuming the interior. I think that's a waste of time. Gonna clean the interior, vacuum it, complete, as good as I can. So as you work every day, you clean. Don't get stuck with having stuff laying around and tools and everything like that. We're gonna clean the interior completely out. Tomorrow we'll grab some dry ice, and then we're just gonna lay it in here for a couple of hours, and it's just gonna peel up this sound deadening that's under the car. And that's it. So tomorrow I'll get a Sharpie. I'll have an outline on where we're gonna start cutting. We're gonna mark everything with a Sharpie. We're gonna show you how to use the spot weld removal kit that I told you guys to go and purchase, the Blair one. And that's it. I hope you guys are gonna enjoy. I hope you guys are enjoying this vlog. I'm trying my best to educate you, and just, you know what's my favorite part? That you guys don't have to ask anyone else, because I understand that point of rejection when you're sending a DM and trying to get some kind of help, and no one wants to give you the time of day. So these videos are based off entirely that. You don't have to contact anyone. Just watch the damn video. It's going to tell you everything you need to know. You don't even have to message me. You don't even have to DM me. You don't have to email me. Nothing. It's all going to be in the video. Step by step. So continue being great, man. Continue gunning. You guys are doing... I'm watching all of your builds, man. You guys are sending me progress pics. I love it. I'm proud of all of you, man. It's a gunner world, man. Everybody just pays rent in it. Trust me, it's our world. We run racing, man. So, keep gunning, man. Enjoy the vlog.